In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tools relevance. AI 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a working tool in Relevance AI and understand the key fields that make it reliable and reusable. Start by heading to Relevance AI and opening the marketplace or your workspace. From there, find the tools section. This is your hub for creating, managing, and testing AI-powered utilities. Go ahead and open it so you can start fresh. Next, choose New Tool. This creates a blank canvas where you'll define what your tool does and how it behaves. When the template options appear, select Default. It's a clean starting point that works for most use cases and keeps things simple while you learn the flow. Give your tool a clear, descriptive title. Think of it as the label you'll recognize instantly later, like Blog Outline Generator or Customer Email Summarizer. Then add a short description. Use this to set expectations, what the tool takes in, what it returns, and how it's meant to be used. A concise description helps teammates understand purpose at a glance. Now add your first step. You'll be prompted to choose a tool type. If you're new, start with an LLM tool. It's designed for tasks like drafting, transforming, summarizing, and structuring text using a large language model. Select LLM to proceed. With the basics in place, define the tool's fundamentals. Here, you'll typically confirm the model, input fields, and any controls such as temperature for creativity versus precision. Keep inputs minimal but meaningful. Only ask for what the logic truly needs. Consistent naming like topic or source text will make your prompt clearer. Write the prompt or logic that guides the model. Be explicit about the role, task, formatting, and constraints. If you expect bullet-free paragraphs, state that. If you need a specific tone or length, include those instructions. Reference your inputs with clear placeholders so the tool knows exactly where to use user-provided content. Define the output. If you want freeform text, say so. If you need structure, specify a JSON schema and the exact fields you expect. Structured outputs are easier to reuse in downstream workflows and reports. Navigate to the final step to confirm what the end result should look like. Typical outputs include blog content, summaries, structured JSON, SEO, metadata, or an analysis report. Choose the format that matches your goal and keep it consistent with your prompt. Finally, run the tool. Provide sample inputs, execute and review the output. If something's off, adjust the prompt, inputs, or output format and run again. A few quick iterations usually dial it in. That's it. You've created a reliable tool in Relevance AI.